How to modify a booking with Air Transat. Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can modify a booking with Air Transat. This is how to go about it. The first step is to log in into your Air Transat website or account, just like I've done here. And then once you're on the home page, scroll down until you can see a mini page where you can see options like flights, package, car, more, flight status, online check-in, manage my booking. So select that. So by clicking on manage my booking, you'll be taken to the manage my booking page where you see a number of things that you can do, among which is modification or cancellation. So in order to get to the flight page and modify your booking, enter in your first name, your last name, the confirmation number, and your departure date. Ensure that the information you're entering here is the same as the one that you used while booking the flight. And then once you're done, click on continue. And after clicking on continue, you'll be taken to the flight page. So once you're on this page, the next option is for you to select the option that allows you to modify your booking. And then after clicking on modify your booking, you can now change your flight dates, destination, seat selection, or add services like option plus or extra baggage. Then review your changes and confirm. And then if there are any applicable fees or fees differences, you'll be asked to pay them, pay it, and then your flights will be modified. Your booking will be modified. So this is the way, this is how you can modify a booking or Air Transat. Thank you for watching and ensure you have a good day.